Right, so I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on the Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. So simply launch the camera app, and as soon as you point it at a QR code, it's going to detect a QR code and give you this little icon here. So tap on that little icon. If it's the first time, it's going to tell you to agree to the AI scanner terms of service and security notice. Tap OK, and then now it's going to open that QR code. So from now on, moving forward, when you scan a QR code, it's gonna detect it's a QR code. Tap on that QR on the side and then tap OK, and you can see what that QR code is all about. Now it's unfortunate that it doesn't give you a sort of a preview. The only thing it does, once you tap on this icon, it says this QR code leads to a risky link that may harm the security of your device or your privacy. I don't know how it decided it's a risky link because it's just my website. But yeah, that's how you scan QR codes with the Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.